here we're going to match the general education outcomes to the various core areas. For core area A, you see the outcomes here in highlighted yellow. You will need to remember these outcomes and remember that these outcomes are linked to area A. Now let's take a look at area B. Area B has one general education outcome. Students will apply knowledge and understanding of global and regional diversity. You will need to remember that this is the outcome for area B. Now let's take a look at area C. There's only one general education outcome for area C. Students will apply knowledge of historical, social, or cultural influence to understanding works of human creativity. As with the other areas, the courses that you take are tied to that learning outcome. But you'll need to remember that this is a learning outcome for area C. Core area D is divided into an area for non-science or math majors, or an alternative area D for science and math majors. The general education outcome for non-science or math area D is this one right here, and you'll need to remember that, and remember that it's tied to this area. For STEM majors, this is the outcome for STEM majors. If we look at the outcome, it's basically the same. In fact, it is the same in every respect. So in terms of tying learning outcomes to their various areas, there's no difference between this outcome for STEM majors and non-STEM majors. For core area E, you see one learning outcome. Students will analyze the nature of basic historical, political, or cultural aspects of society. This is not surprising since a lot of these courses are history or political courses. So that makes sense that that would be for area E. We also have overlay outcomes. That is, overlays are themes that sit above the other learning outcomes or above the other areas: critical thinking, U.S. perspectives, and global perspectives. So these are the outcomes for critical thinking, U.S. perspectives, and global perspectives. By taking these courses, students are to learn these things. They're supposed to achieve these learning outcomes as part of the core.